In this video, we're going to talk about the ragdoll dip for West Coast swing, but this is only going to play if you hit the subscribe button. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. Do it right now, or I won't teach it. I'm just kidding. All right, so this came right out of our intermediate class. We had 1, 2. I lead what appears to be an inside turn, 3 and 4. That's what I'm going for. But from the backside, here's what I do to pick up the position for the dip. 1, 2. Megan turns in. I look for her back. 3 and. I take this hand and kind of let go of it this way so I can slide down to hit for 4. So that's the, I'm going to give you an easier way to do it. The easier way is to take this hand all the way around, 3 and 4, and tuck it in your back pocket and end up over the top. This is probably the first way I would do it. We're going to talk about the dip in a second. But the more comfortable way for Megan and for me is to 1, 2, 3, and let go of this hand so I can slide it down. I land on 4. Now let's talk about the dip. What I think about as the leader is I want to take Megan and pour her out here, move everything around, and pick her back up onto her left foot. That's the action for me. So we'll get the leaders caught up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I take her to my left. I roll her all the way around, and I bring her back up on her right foot. If she does a good job, or left foot, your left foot. If she doesn't land on her left foot, I make sure she's on her left foot so I can come out with a tuck off the right hand, which we're going to talk about. But now let's look at it front 2, so you can kind of see what goes on for Megan. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I take this hand underneath. Now, as I sit, right, just that sitting action for me. So she ends up kind of sitting on my right thigh. Boom. Now I can pour her out. I can leave her down here until she yells at me. I pull her back up. In a perfect world, Megan's going to talk about settling onto that right foot to creating connection. So now, left foot, my goodness, left and right. My right foot, Megan's left foot. So now I can come out with a tuck turn. But before we get there, what are the things that you think about doing a ragdoll dip?
So followers, any dip that you do, you want to make sure that your hips stay up. What I mean by that is,
let's do it sideways. For
this dip that we're doing, the ragdoll, if I take my hips back, first of all, it's weird, and I almost fell over. But you want your hips to stay higher and your head to go back.
So she's very light, so as much as you can dip by yourself, just do it by yourself. Like, that's however much you can get by yourself. You can add just a little bit to this. And if you kind of see, let's do it this way, one more time. She's quite honestly sitting on my right thigh.
I am.
So I've got her on my right thigh, and I have a bad hamstring as we're shooting this video.
I'm so sorry.
And it's still okay. So if we've achieved that and we've got up to this position, we can come out of this with any 6-count pattern that we know. Inside turn would be the easiest one. We tend to prefer, as we finish this dip and we end up in this position, if Megan's done a good job of settling back on her left foot, then I could lead 1, 2, drawing her to me. I let the right hand go away, 3 and 4, and we've got a cooler version than a passing tuck with the left hand. We've got it with the right hand where I stay ahead, 1, 2, drawing her close. She checks away 3 and 4, and we anchor 5 and 6. If you like tricks like this dip or rides, we did a whole video on dips, tricks, and rides that you can watch right over here. If you just want other moves, we have an advanced move list, which is not just a list, but basically a list of ideas. So if you're looking to come up with some cool stuff for West Coast Swing, you'll want to watch this video right here, and make sure you're subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, show us some love. See you on the dance floor soon.